I have a Erasmus group here that somebody's just gonna.
Oh, it's a bit tricky.
Yeah. Just the white, that's Husøya. The black is Husøya. The grey
The building. But this one is like for the water. Okay, fair.
It's just to have it's a reserve. Look at the water.
It's so clear, incredible, amazing.
You do not like this, Maya? Okay.
And the school. Oh, really?
Yeah.
And now it's on high school.
Yeah.